Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi. I am a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today we are going to discuss the term coercion with reference to Indian Contract Act 1872. So the term coercion has been defined in the section 15 of Indian Contract Act 1872, and it means giving using some physical threat to obtain a consent from a person. So if a consent has been obtained from a person by using the physical threat, then it will come under the category of coercion under section 15 of Indian Contract Act 1872, and that consent would not be called as a free consent if the consent has been obtained by the physical threat on some person. So I will reiterate that if the consent has been obtained by using some physical threat from a person, then that consent would not be a free consent, and the contract will be voidable at the option of the party from whom the consent has been obtained. So section 15 of the Indian Contract Act says that coercion is committing or threatening to commit any act is forbidden which is forbidden by the Indian Penal Code, or the unlawful retaining or threatening to detain any property to the prejudice of any person, whatever, with the intention of causing any person to enter into an agreement. Coercion means forcing an individual to enter into a contract when intimidation or threats are used under pressure to gain the party's consent. That is, it is not a free consent. Coercion may involve the actual infliction of physical and psychological harm in order to enhance the credibility of threat. So for example, if A went out for a walk, V approaches A with a stranger, pulls out his gun and asks A to give all his possessions. The consent of A was obtained by the coercion here. Coercion has the effect of making the contract voidable. So there's a difference between the void contract and voidable. Void contract means empty, but the voidable means it can be made empty at the option of the party from whom the consent has been obtained by some fraudulent or manner, or has obtained by using coercion on that person. So it implies that at the discretion of the party whose consent was not free, the contract is voidable. The aggravated party will therefore determine whether to enforce the contract or to cancel the contract. Techniques for causing coercion: threatening to commit any act which is prohibited by the Indian Penal Code, detaining not as per law, or even threatening to detain any property with the sole intention of compelling a person to enter into a contract. Thus, this is all for today. If you like this video, click on the like button. Don't forget to press the bell icon and click on the subscription button for the further updates. Thank you.